Welcome to Arc's Digital Training. In this video, I'm going to show you how to define the chart in a dynamic manner. So how do we do it? Generally, in our previous example, we have seen a column chart. So here I have month and students. These are the two columns. So let's say January month I have 15 students, February month 20 students, March 30 students. So now I have the data. I need to enter the data on a monthly basis. So I need to report this. So how I am going to do it? So you will be selecting this and click on insert and then go to your column chart and click on OK. So if you look at, the data has come properly. Right click and then add labels. Automatically all the number of students for the particular month has been displayed. Now what you wanted to do is, you wanted to say, let's say now you wanted to enter July month. So if you wanted to enter July month, say for example you got 120 students. Did you get the data in the chart? No, you did not get the data. So to do that, what you are going to do, manually we have to update it. How do we do it? Right click on this particular chart and then select data, and then you can specify the data, whatever the data you wanted to specify. So here I need to specify till this row and click on OK. Automatically the July data also will come. So this is a general way of doing it. So now what I wanted to do is, I don't want to do it in this manner. So I wanted to update my data automatically. So see, the July data is not there now. Now I wanted to update it. So to do that, first what you have to do is, you have to convert your data into table format. So how do I convert the data into table format? So select the entire table and go to your insert option. You will have an option called table. So you can convert this entire data into a table format. See how it got changed as a table. So it is changed now into table format. Now if I enter the month, the next month as July, and if you look at here, July is not there in the sheet. If I enter July and click on, so let's say I have 120 students, automatically the July data graph also will get updated. So if you wanted to enter for August, you no need to do anything manually. Automatically the table will get reflected and your data will be updated into the chart format as well. So this is the way you can update the graphs dynamically. Thank you for watching.